Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 from Terminal. To start, right-click on the Start menu and select Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open it. In the terminal, run the command sfc/scano, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for the file system scanning process to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 uninstalled apps. To get started, press Start and choose Settings. After that, in Apps, click on Installed Apps. Locate the application to uninstall, click on the three dots and click Uninstall. Confirm this. Some applications integrate a wizard to complete the process. Chapter 3. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 checking the date. To start, enter date in the search box. Click Date and Time Settings. Here, you are going to activate or check that the Set Time Zone Automatically switch is active, while confirming that Set Time Automatically is also active. Chapter 4. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 updating system. To get started, click on Start and then on Settings. You're going to go to Windows Update. There, click on Check for updates to check if there are any available to be installed. Chapter 5. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 repairing app. To start, enter Security in the search box. In Windows Security, click on App Settings. In the window that opens, at the bottom, click on Repair. Wait for the application to be repaired. Chapter 6. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 configuring Internet options. To start, in the search box, enter intcpl.cpl. Click on the command. After that, in the Security tab, click on the option Reset All Zones to Default Level. Click Apply and OK. Chapter 7. How to fix Can't Turn on Real-Time Protection Windows Defender Windows 11 from Group Policies. To get started, in the search box, enter gpdit.msc. Open the utility. After this, in Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates. Then, open Windows Components and access Real-Time Protection in Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Now double-click on the Turn Off Real-Time Protection policy. Confirm that the Not Configured option is selected. you are going to return to Microsoft Defender Antivirus again, and you must double-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus policy. Here, check the disabled option, click Apply and OK. Chapter 8. How to fix can't turn on real-time protection Windows Defender Windows 11 from Registry Editor. To get started, enter Regedit in the search box, open the Registry Editor, click on Yes. You are going to go to the path that you can see on the screen. Then double-click on the value, Disable Anti-Spyware. Validates that its value is 0. Apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.